Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to refer a friend on the Fanduel app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open the Fanduel mobile app, whether sportsbook or casino, then tap either the refer tab at the bottom of the screen or the earn money button near the top or home page of the app. This opens your unique refer friend hub where you'll find a referral link ready to share. Then from there, share your link via text, email, social media, or messaging apps directly from the hub. Now, what happens after you've shared the link? So now, depending on the platform and your location, here's how the referral bonuses typically work. So the sports bet referral, so give 50 and get 50. So your friend must sign up and using your referral link, deposit at least $10, place a qualifying wage of at least $10 on the FanDuel Sportsbook, generally within 30-day time period. Both you and your friend receive $50 in Sportsbook bonus bets, credited within 72 hours after the qualifying bet settles. Now from here, you can refer up to 5 friends per 30 days, earning up to around $250 per month in the Sportsbook bonus bets. Now, if you're doing the casino referral, if applicable by state, so this is only available in selected states. So your friend must sign up via your link, deposit at least $10 and make a qualifying $10 wager in the FanDuel casino. You'll receive $25 in casino site credit after the bet settles, credited within 72 hours. Same 5 referral monthly cap applies, giving you up to $125 per month in casino credit. Now, if you combine potential per referral, so if the referred friend meets both sportsbook and casino criteria, you could earn $50 sportsbook bonus bets plus 25 casino site credit. So this in total is about $75 in rewards per referral. So multiply that by 5 referrals every 30 days, giving you up to about $375 total.